The big brand sale is now on at OK Furniture. Spend 2,999 or more and stand a chance to win one of 20 shopping sprees worth 1 million rands. View our latest catalog and shop these amazing deals by the 6th of April 2025 while stock lasts. T's and C's apply.
Itiski TV, powered by World Sports Betting, itiskitimes.co.za. Orlando Pirates 1, MC Alger nil kumdlalo we-CAF Champions League. Quarterfinals, the first leg, budlala phake Algeria. Mohaou Nkotha making sure ukuthi he continues with his good streak pa Algeria. Sakhumbula against CR Belouizdad where he scored a brace. Namhlanje he came in as a second half. He scored the only goal of the game. But uthanda ngomdlalo wanamhlanje, I've got the former Kaizer Chiefs stalwart, former Kaizer Chiefs midfielder, Junior Kanye. Junior, kunjani mfowethu?
Ngifake khona. Esheni kunjani uthi?
I'm good.
Thank you my brother. No angesibulisa abantu kapha yabo nasendlini.
Sebusuku.
Yeah, bangibulisile ekseni angeke ubulise mina umulise ntambama. Yeah, Shane mfethu uthi compliment Orlando Pirates. Well done to Orlando Pirates. Yeah. I think they won this game not by playing pretty. They won the game because of the character. I'm a player Orlando Pirates bonus character. And the way he game iphele ngakhona, I believe me coach the way bekumele iqale ngakhona game. Kuma group stages, this is how Paris started. Yabo, and they were exciting to watch. You understand? Udlala nga two wingers, two wing left and right forward. And ngisho ukuthi the way game iphele ngakhona, the way coach bekumele iqale ngakhona. First half, I think a lot of, especially a couple of players at Orlando Pirates, I think they were off. They went to the ends with the gaming of balance, especially citing the Orlando Pirates, losing so many balls, citing the Orlando Pirates. But the good thing about considering any goal. Well done to defense Orlando Pirates. Just taking a problem in fan rain. Today, bega showing nervousness, man. Stage fright. Umfana ngibone ngathi kunokuthukanyana today. And Tina, always when we talk about him, we see when we see him, it's one national team player. So he came yanamhlanje, I think a bit nervous, and amagame anjengalawo going forward. Usazwadlana. He need kuzomela umfana like aphakamise isandla ngoba kule position Orlando Pirates kunabo Shandu. There's a couple of players, Monyane as well. So banokudlalisa this guy odlala ngo left there. What's his name konje lo buya ku Sundowns Tigers. Iplayer lini shimele umazi.
Junior.
Or mukhumbuze mina. Umakho. Okay.
Umakho was suspended for today, yeah?
Yeah. Banokumdlalisana ka right. So I think Orlando Pirates joba ngisho well done to first half they never conceded any goal. And defense Orlando Pirates uzoyinika credit. Also Chain so mentioned something very important. Chain mfethu uyakhula mfethu, and he showed the braveness, this guy, the character from the guy. Well done to China, well done. He deserves, I think, to be in the national team. He deserves to be given a chance. Kwamanyama came to national team as well. And Uchalen Batam Pamisa Sandla, I think the guy, first off, he has shown being him criticized umfana kunama game whereby I'm criticizer, but today in first half yanamhlanje ngicela ukumnika credit. Angeke him alone, angeke ube attacker, ube holding midfield, support as number 10, going wide left and right and support. Utholakala boxing. I did very well.
You think his inclusion, his being a regular at Bafana helped him namhlanje?
I think ngazi mfethu ngoba akana consistency umfana, but ngisho mina in today's game because uleki consistency in today's game uphakamisile isandla ngikhuluma nga first half a bit disappointed ngoma Khehleni Makaula, also Kabelo Dlamini, both bekumele bamcompliment umchitha ngithi uKabelo bekadlala ezo number 10 or 8 we bekumele support ngikhuluma ngale bekadlala behind evident Makgopa. Mangabe ubona evident angathola ibhola, it means midfield uKabelo aga supply, you understand. And njoba ngisho uKabelo did a good first half yena noMakhehleni. Makhehleni, he was playing more of as extra i-center back. And uRelebogile Mofokeng off game today, but umfana, I think that's why bathi i-play njengaye akwazi ukulikhipha off, but look at towards the game iphela, the pass le ayinike this boy uNkotha, and well good finish as well from Unkotha. I think youngsters Shane mele bafunde this boy first season yakhe, nami ngeke ngabamcriticize, nginokumcriticize in some games. This is how you respond if somebody is criticizing you. You score in big games. And a history, in fact. Nobody will ever forget this. You understand? This boy came to the game as long as for under pressure. As a youngster, ngicela compliment this boy Mbogas. I think he's a contender of national team player. For me, he deserves to be given a chance. He's a coach talent, he's talented. As a defender, technically very good. He can deal with one-on-one, very composed. We are dealing nomuntu like mabamnikile, when they assign someone to defend against him, he can do a job very easy. Ukwazile ukuthi amakuripero, and well done to him. And he look as a lomfana ngathi leader, amncane, like he's got leadership skill, and he's a future captain of Orlando Pirates for me. And well done to the boy. And Unkotha coming in to score. Actually, easy come from the bench as ube impact player and come and score. Game intensity high kangaka. This team Esperance. You know, I mean to say MC Elcha.
Yeah.
This team is along speed, but they lack intelligence. Yeah, bona badlala, it's more for maximum football. They build up at the back. Bakwazi udlala i-recharge batholakala eyafinini. And uthola ukuthi mabafika epaleni bathatha decision making abo phambi kwepali. Bane front rate dangerous in terms of, but dangerous behind. Bakwazi ukuya behind the defense, but decision making aba let down. How many bake baphuma phela babhekana no-China. The way athathele la shot ngakhona phambi kwaka-China poor. I mean, it was supposed to dribble footwork, lapana, drop his shoulder, okanye, just mbambing a box, so step over, do something, and it was supposed to be a goal.
Tell me, Junior, Orlando Pirates, coach Jose Rivera, ubuyele kwenye formation bekade idlala ufika kwakhe. I remember when he joined Orlando Pirates, he used to play with 3 center backs. He will have 2 wing backs. He brought this formation back against the Sundowns. He won 2-1. Came namhlanje kulo mdlalo we-Champions League. Played the same formation, 3 center backs, same lineup in fact. What do you think Coach Jose Rivero picked up from Orlando Pirates? What does their formation inika ntoni Orlando Pirates, which made Coach Jose Rivero believe kuyo again ukuthi i-formation anoyisebenzisa going forward again?
This is not a good formation for South African players. Yabo, ulimita strengths abachita, which could the talent God gave them. We are limited. They are not playing. He's not playing players according to his strengths. He is concerned about himself. Ufuna player defend. Well done. He playing like sebenzile. Indaba when you win this way, and angeke uzu question anyone. But when you win this way, question. Gune question mark going forward. You understand? The question is consistent. Yes, Pirates they were very exciting.
Yeah.
Nkhuluma ngama group stages. Pirates they attack ngama winger. You understand? Also mabasa mangaba you understand mangaba uzokhipha mabasa ufake yena, this guy evident. And uTito Masonga as well. Bekabanceda there. Pirates they were exciting. Ngikhuluma nge-front 4 Orlando Pirates. Very exciting. But now on the right hand side I see he's not using someone who like Van Rooyen. But in today's game Van Rooyen look lost and he never went forward too much. And yeah, ukuphendula nje kahle.
Sure.
To win this way for me, kuba i-question mark. You can't win ugly, man.
Andifuna ukuqhawula kunento ucoach Peter Mosimane used to say adla ngokuthi if uphume early kwi-Champions League athi no, we are paying the school fees. Now Mamelodi Sundowns has been paying his school fees even though they won it in 2016. But in the last 2-3 seasons, you can say they've been paying the school fees with Champions League, of which namhlanje sibonile babenze njani against Esperance. Now, upon the corner, Junior, don't you think mhlawumbe Coach Jose Rivero saw ukuthi sometimes a good football won't take you far quick have Champions League, because you must remember quick group stages as fun in the knockout stages. So don't you think mhlawumbe le ndaba yaka yokuthi a change formation mhlawumbe we apply since is the knockouts?
Kunama team that won big tournament, not only Champions League layer like Africa. Nkhuluma ngabo Man City, Bayern, they win in style, fit, with the good type of football and ending product. You understand? And they do it consistent. It's just that good when we apply kanjani. You understand? Which was a Rivero. It's been good. Uqale kahle season Orlando Pirates for me. And compliment to players for good respond, the way by responding a corner. And nokuhlanganisa combination, well done to him. Just that, mina kula magame ayi-2 la wadlalile.
Sure.
Ngikhuluma ngale Sundowns, the way approach a game with okay, I'm gonna be ngizoba cautious.
Compact,
Mina I'm gonna be too defensive. Ngiyohlala eyafini yami. And then just this guy, when they do one mistake, I'm gonna punish them. You understand? Ngoba in the first half, ukubathola kayi-1, it's just that that's why mina Shane ngithanda strikers dynamic, very mobile. Ngoba le bhola evident alitholile, if bethola strikers mobile, besiyophila of very quick, bekothasha le bhola jumpe, and then mawumthasha it's a penalty. Or thasha le bhola accelerate bheka no goalkeeper and finish, that's all. So the guy is too slow. Ile nto ukuthi bamcela ukuthi kumele azo defender, bese bathi is doing very well, aphinda abuye na with team sheet. Ngima angizwisisi mfethu. So ukuphendula Shane.
Sure.
Ukwina ugly. It's not a good thing. Bafithu ngicela singayipromote. Singapromote these young coaches. There's young coaches who are coming in South African football. I don't mind. Kunama game on approach. Yes, Upitso. Upitso used to. There are games. Upitso bekabheka ukuthi udlala nayiphi opposition. Kunamanye ama game uthole opposition efana neyakho. Pound to pound yangmesha okanye they better than you. Uyayibona ukuthi ngalelo langa you can plan. You understand ukuthi okay sharp. This is how I'm going to approach this game. Respond this way. Yabo kunamama game that you need to, in fact let me say, team yakho, you need to sign players according to your philosophy yakho. You must be consistent in your philosophy yakho. So I believe you need to win in a good way so that you will be a reference in a longer way.
Thank you so much, Junior Kanye, former Kaizer Chiefs midfielder, former Kaizer Chiefs fan favorite. Yazi amakhosi ukuthi akuncanywa kanjani.
Ngokuphendule mfethu. Ngama answer.
It's MC Alger nil, Orlando Pirates 1 kumdlalo we CAF Champions League. Department at Betway Premiership. Asinayi MC Alger ku Betway Premiership. Thank you so much for watching iDiski TV.
Sure.
For breaking news, go to itdiskitimes.co.za.
Shapunjan bafowethu igama lami uLindo Pep, the best analyst in the country. Please don't forget to subscribe to iDiski TV. Danko.
This is Bongane Benedict Vilakazi, they call me so. Niyazi bafethu, Amakhosi for life, they are back in winning ways. Please, siyacela ukuthi subscribe iDiski TV.